Yes! We're playing this game again, guys! The game that hates me the most. Okay. Anyway, I found out playing the other one. The one that's like this on the Google Play Store. But it's not as good. And not as glitchy. I found out that I can go like this. And I can swing myself. But it doesn't work here, does it? It just has to not work. Just for me. But no worries, I can try. Try and get you places, doesn't it? America Costello. Right, anyway. That's just stuck in my head. Okay, don't you dare do that. It's me! No. This game. Stop doing that! Okay, it's me. It's me. Okay, don't neglect. You can get your wee hammer up there. Okay, one. And Jesus. I need help from Jesus. Help me, Jesus. Erica Costello. Erica Costello. Okay, just don't do this, like, son of a gun! Okay. It's me. Right, and then we put our hammer as high as our heads. And we swing. We swing for victory! Victory! Right, don't you dare, son of a gun. Your cauldron may be heavy, but I don't know what I'm saying. That makes me better. Suck. No, flip. I'm Erica Costello. Oh. Oh, Jesus. Work, glitch. This game should be renamed Glitching Over It. Costello, do. Right. Okay. Dude, Jesus, I swung the wrong way! This game, you know what? I'm covering this face come up. I will play till I die, okay? Okay? You know what I mean? This ball goes in this screen, but it doesn't work! Okay, that ball's actually tied. Right, guys, I do not know what just happened there, but it stopped recording, I'm, doing a ton of stuff at the same time. But swing that hammer like you've never swung it before, okay? Okay, my son? Get up. He needs help. He actually needs help. Okay. Can someone just help this poor man get this bucket off his bum? So, jeez. And every single person in the world is raging at him as well, so I'm gonna feel pity for him. I actually hate that man. Okay? I don't feel pity for you anymore, okay? Okay? Deserve that. You deserve to be in that cauldron, okay? And yes, I did say that. And yes, I am about to die. Well, that man in the cauldron's about to die. Ooh. Right, anyway. It's me. Can I do this? Okay. Jump it. Pump it. Oh no. I'm this thing. Right. I am renaming this series Glitching Over It, as you might have seen in the last video. It said Glitching Over It. Now, that's a true fact. The series is now called Glitching Over It. If anyone knows about my channel, it's probably for how glitchy everything on it is. But, it's me, son, huh? I do all that. I do that for everyone on YouTube to just watch me fail at everything in life. See? Oh my god, this dumb propeller paddle thing! Right, now, I'm gonna go a bit closer. No. That's how I feel about this. That's what I do to this man here. It's me, son. This man is just horrible. Like, bruv. I'm uploading a video, yeah, but like, I'm a YouTuber. 5 videos a day. It's probably like, I do like 1 video a day, but yeah, it's me. Right, anyway. I hope you liked my GoPro video, action camera, whatever. Right, this hammer needs to stay in that rock. Okay. See this rock here? That rock? That. I give up. This stubborn game. This stubborn me. Help me help you make a better game. What's this guy called? 1 second, I need to find that out. Oh yeah, I earn 20 cents a day. No, I earn 20 cents off my whole YouTube channel. Great. Anyway, Google, help me. Listen. Who made the game Getting Over It? Let's see. Bennett Foddy. Can you see that, huh? No, you can't, can you? Yes, you can. Bennett Foddy. Okay? Hey, Bennett. You really make me hurt. Bennett Foddy. He's the guy that created all this. All this. He made this game. And it's annoying. So, I'm surprised he's not being attacked in public. But Jesus, it's too hard and glitchy. Okay, this is like, this man has too much. Like, that hammer is too much for him to control. That's all I'm gonna say. Like, sucker. It's 9:15. Jeez, that's not that late. Okay, just stop, Mr. Cauldron Bennett Foddy. You must stop terrorizing children with this game, okay? Okay? Mr. What's his name? I'm sure I just said it. Foddy. The game's called Getting Over It with Bennett Foddy. I just dropped my phone again. It should be making a noise. Come on. That hurts me. Right, yeah, that's it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video of glitching over it, part 2. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.